guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be filming my November Birchbox. If I have to stop in the middle of the video, I'm sorry. I've got a couple guests in here. This is my new kitten Bambi. And then I also have Solaire in here. So hopefully they're good. Hopefully you don't hear any like loud playing or anything. I've let them in here to see how they do. She's still doing these like chewing my wires, so hopefully she won't do that. But let's get on into the Birchbox. So the November box is like super Thanksgiving-y. It has like all the fall colors and stuff, and it just looks really nice. Their thing this time is this fall, there's no better time to get connected with your job, your friends, yourself, and your beauty routine. And then it kind of like gives you some resources or like tips and stuff. Yeah, let's get on into what's in it. So the first thing I have in here is the Love Color Liquid Shimmer Eyeshadow, which is right here. It says bring on the shimmer with this long-lasting crease-free liquid shadow in a metallic lilac shade. Swipe across your lid, then blend. Layer for more intensity. So I swatched this while I was doing some photos of these for my blog, and once you blend it, it's fairly light, so I feel like you would have to like layer this a decent amount, but it is a very pretty shade, and I think it would make a nice girly look. So yeah, I really am interested to try this because I've never used liquid shadow before, so it'll be cool to see how long it lasts. The next thing that I have in here is the LXMI Cream du Nil. The full size is $58. Oh, the full size of the shadow is $10. This one says, powered by rare ingredient only found in Uganda called Nilotica Reserve. This luxurious face cream provides serious moisture to all skin types for a plump, radiant complexion. So I guess this is just a moisturizer. Let's see how creamy it is. A bunch of it just came out on my hand. It feels really nice. It doesn't, having that much of it, I don't feel like it's blending very well, but it is really moisturizing. It just takes a little bit of time to get it blended, so I think it'll be cool. And it smells pretty good. It reminds me of like a forest or something. It has kind of like a leafy kind of smell, I think. So it smells pretty good. The next thing I have is the, the number 4 Jour d'Automne Smoothing Balm. The full size is $30. Prep damp strands with this styling cream, which contains tiny molecules that penetrate each strand to minimize frizz, give touchable texture, and protect against heat damage. So I'm super interested in trying this. I'm always looking for something good for frizz because my hair tends to frizz really badly. So this will be really cool to try. It would be great to try today actually because it's raining. So today would be an awesome day to try this. Sorry if you can hear that sound, that's my dryer. My towels just got dry. Next thing I have in here is Smashbox Cosmetics Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This cult-loved oil-free primer minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a silky smooth base for long-wearing makeup. So I love trying new primers. Most of the primers that I try are things I get from like Ipsy and Birchbox. Birchbox is going to be the only one I'm getting now, so hopefully I still get things like this often. But yeah, I think I might have tried this before and I really liked it, so I'm happy to have this again. The last thing that I have in here is the Stila Cosmetics Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. The full size is $23. This inky black mascara lets your lashes go big in every way. One coat leaves major volume, curl, and lots of length. So if you guys don't know this, you might have seen it on my blog in the past. I love mascara. If I have on nothing else, I will have on mascara. Today I only have on like 4 things and mascara is one of them. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I have a ton of mascaras, so we'll see when I get to this one. But as always, all of these things will be reviewed on my blog. So if you guys want to check that out, you can. Sorry if I keep looking away from the camera. My cat, Solaire, is everywhere. He's climbing on books, on my desk. Like, I don't let him in here very much, and this is why. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go so I can get him down before he breaks things. And I'll see you guys later.